There be no be resign.
And they just so bizarre. So when
Welcome to the Political Run with me, the voice right on Ghana 7 TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
There be no be resign.
And they just so bizarre. So when a matter of integrity.
So our leaders going to take the nation for granted.
That's
for all these years. But
why na aye bibia adena pasca wono ye minister na ye panyi or ye leader or maimu a wasi ne bopan sa ade we ya me ye die entwa ye enti tinton time resign
enti no
what to be panyin some that
but
Akukudu have been taking us for granted not from now since
when because Akukudu owura Enyai eka say na nadu danko akufado ebedi mampani na won han ewiemhye
and ye dware wiemhye mu e le fa
ye kan say wo nya Ghana ho na nyame ya adom na ne wura osom no eya his excellency John Dramani Mahama ebedi mampani no ne mpamfo ahya so wo ba han lupre ade atukwan a na so no Okudzeto blakwa wo ye soafo a obe resign. Sadly, we choose somebody tell him to resign now.
And because a matter of integrity.
No, the president must fire him.
And then you know,
a man you a buy any idea or my no. Say, I agree, say, a better be biacha or man this year. Near the end to me, and yet to me, we are the penny a bay. And no man, yes, here to tell you, boy. So, and now my idea to tell you where we commit my time and family. Now, do baby idea or far. Private jet there. Yes, so pan no cameraman say jet say. Sabi oluma edwale owiam ama ne hunso to Ghana. Yes, Antoine kan kosoro. Sabi yade de ye maame oyade ya mudi ne koy ye buarade mpasa on sane yade or ye vice president of the land.
Yes.
But on onyamfo Okudzeto blakwa na wutimi ka to wato embassy
mu meba embassy bi say me fan say ye wa hai despite media. Nebia the one the ohe is sikasem so waye dwiri mu a yes ya to the entire despite media mu
say
dienti nyansa be na wasa de we
na no gra dwiri bi wo mu de
your friends a whole mission
me de
obi IT expert aye your friends a dream a divert sika ne ho kro ne ba yina de na punish no na me the entire staff now wo yi wo mu adi na ono obi on mo ye na adwuma fenche mo
Matisse atum Matisse was so mu ba bebe me de say
watum utum ansa na fe de ye ka na wo ba ko bi
me de ononyamfo Okudzeto blakwa me problem with him ni say em na opposition no so ye expose
na ne ka sa nko
enti sabri won sama wanka se waka no magana fo nya mu gidi
afidie ya
abrantie wo se a oyo anya sa na tese de na ye nya na yo tahu
say ni omo ene say IT ho ahwan ene wa adwiri mu a ye nyo no kwa de be sa ka obia no ma tese omo nkrofo akọ replace sa na ye bu oman no sa na ye sa bu twa to on mo we ne yi ona da che obi so ba no oye bia obi a megina ba bia meka say
Akukudu a ononyamfo Okudzeto blakwa
enya ye
o de kasai
e me come resign
me o si
me picture
na ka me pese o de sa Akukudu no na nanimu benyam say this is a
matter of integrity. So integrity ye adwuma we entrance mo bi
yeti krom ha Ibrahim Mahama na adwuma na woye so ye man na ne biara a wo so wo ne certificate ode ye na adwuma na bia na wuntumi yeti krom ha Joanna Jan a wo ye NDC parliamentary ho ahwani wote parliament ho wo tu galamsey siri wo bia yeti krom ha na chairman putu ote hwan a wo ye NDC chairman wo Ashanti region ho wo kotu galamsey na me na ne da so da nkawe kwan no so sesi ankwala fo na atomawuo amena ne da so da ho gumo otu galamsey sesi a NDC aban so mu hu ne yete ha same jamfisi sa do da se nya sika keto adigu ne ka mu e de showcase kire hiafo ekom de yen se ye yakohwefo ye agimifo ya mobra eti na 4 months pe onu ba ye no wabagi ye sika wo de agu ne ka mu a wo cha aban se nya hwe wo de ache no emfa no Sam George wo se ne yire ne hwe no 4 months pe wakoto car aye ne boa no so mbo over $250,000 e de atim wa abra ban $100,000 no de ma wo so mkoto car wo no wato ne times 3 aban se memfa ho ba bi onya sika editor memfa ho na mmom wuntumi e na metumi ani asi ne so pepa che wuntumi wabetu galamsey wo bale bamboy wabetu no bale bamboy ukura wunua Ibrahim ma wo fra asase prada da so no waba betu galamsey e wa Asante mam ni akamam mu di afa ne ho anya ne ho se edwiri na wo stika anywhere you for amumu tina ho se mudi Canada Japan ati and now let's tete ni video na dasoro ho ni interview na dasoro no say ono let's tete no wono ne kasa ma Canada Japan ono e Canada Japan campaign manager bi se Canada Japan campaign manager Kwame Owusu se hwan no wase Africa Canada chi because say Canada chi mi dodo eti say let's tete no ye ni campaign manager kasa ma ne say ye omo and almost shred kwan say wontumi ti ha wote and almost so na file case e de atia wontumi say ye nkwachi wontumi fi say wontumi di sika bi aban na atwam no bra wanye awanye na yeso ye nti omkwachi ne he me ka kire mo amugu MP parliament wa NDC MPP take it na mo de to wa mo si mudi Canada Japan achi no mo aji mo ye nkwasiafo adwene ni mutirim efi say Canada Japan no person o say party na wo say ye party torment ye nkrofo mo ani adi o betimi aboa yen a Canada ho ye nti o huso bi o sika sene na no o timi person obere nipa na se no se mo nim na se mo kwakwa di Canada ati a candidate bebre na wo ho wo mpe ba wo mi a wo pe foforo di na ti de wo pe di na ti na Canada die so wo kodi na ti a na wo nia wa timi o wo ye kwase adwene ni utim MP samambo sticker mo ma bra na munya se de mo kwatena ho ankwase asem no nti no MP a wo hye samambo wo hwe so mo bra timi ne kwase asem nti wo tita se bo na wo so de na Canada asa atam se 50,000 30,000 am went wo si wa ton wani Canada ati na wo ye kwase afo mo deserve sa mo tena parliament ho wo Canada di mu so wo ye MPP ni na hwe kwan a wo mo di MPP fo nam so Canada Japan crofo timi ditu mu edi ayi se wono na aboa me ye MDC fo sa na wo ni akodi o mo chi a wagimi wo stika wo free MPP Asante region o mo tu o mo ni asi chama wo ntumi si anam Canada Japan tu so di Canada ti wo ye kwase afo mo agimi
The Bia, sorry, a lawyer for party, and then you go and connive with the NDC, and you are softening their backs. Now they are backstabbing you. They are showing you how to use power. Next time you learn sense. Sir, a lawyer for party. If the MPP comes back in 2020, I'm telling you, look, this country will be fire. NDC should be ready because any day the MPP is back in power, we shall meet you with equal force. We shall do worse. I promise you, the MPP will do worse because this time, yes, is also a lawyer for. Yes, is also we are coming. We the border boys. Yes, is also if there is a law in this country, if there is a constitution in this country, for the first time I see somebody who is from the opposition and he's cooperating. He has reported yesterday, he has reported today, and all of a sudden you guys are arresting him on what basis? What type of foolishness are we doing in this country? John Mahama, look, this your government, it is very short. You don't see it, but it is very short because we will not allow you peace. If you say we will not have peace because we are just opposition, because we are MPP, you have won an election, you will not have peace. I'm telling you, you two will not have peace. I promise you that the NDC government is not going to have peace in this country. I'm telling you, look, this country is going to be fire. Nobody fear anybody. Nobody fear anybody. Okay, this is not the first time for somebody to come in government. This stupidity and intimidation, we are not going to take it. We will not take this nonsense. Now, next time, if the MPP comes back to power, we will not take it. If the MPP comes back to power, we will lead the charge of everything. We love this. Continue, do it, and we shall retaliate. I promise you, the MPP shall